Okay. Looks a little like a mullet, as usual. Whatever. And I guess I should probably put on a little brightener, since that is clearly one of my tips. Oh! In today's video, it is my top 10 ways to look instantly younger. I mean, who doesn't want to look younger? I'm telling you, ladies, over 40, I have walked into the bathroom in the mornings and been like, oh, what is going on? That was not there yesterday. Or pigmentation and why, and this is my newest thing. I'll wake up, I am sleeping on my satin pillowcase, but for some reason I'm sleeping very strange. Like I must be like, you know, bundling up my pillowcase and then squishing my face in a certain way. I know I'm supposed to be sleeping on my back. I've been trying very hard to do this, but I'll have this like major crease here and I'm like, excuse me, this isn't cute. And why is this happening? And I know exactly why, because I'm doing something very strange with the pillow and squishing my face into it. So this is something I'm working on, but I wanted to do a video on simple things that you can instantly look younger and more refreshed. So tip number 1. Find a great concealer. So I have shown you 2 concealers that I absolutely love, and I have a little bonus one for you today because I have shown you the Osmosis. This is an age-defying treatment concealer. The reason why I like this concealer is because it has a balm on one end. Not a lot of concealers. I don't actually know any other concealers that have a balm on the other end. And you have your concealer down here. So and it's nice and creamy, very light though. It's not gonna be a thick concealer, but what's really nice is that you can hydrate your eye first. We are all dehydrated and we don't wanna have a concealer looking dry, dehydrated, and cracked. That will age us. So instantly, this will perk up your eyes because you have the balm first, nice and hydrating, and then you put on your concealer. Even if you just feel like your eyes are dehydrated, put the balm on. And then I'll link all the products below too, so it's very easy for you to navigate. And then I have the Ever Concealer and Corrector. What's really nice about this duo is that this is just not a concealer line, this is a skincare line, so it's anti-aging, so you're getting the benefits of that. And also they leave out all of the nasties like glycols, parabens, phthalates, fragrance. So you have a corrector, which is going to be a peachy color that's going to help with darkness, blues. You know, when I had that surgery, I had a lot of pigmentation underneath my eye. So I would use the corrector first, work it into my skin, and then I would use the light concealer over. I love the consistency because it's a little bit heavier and it has a velvety finish to it. It's not super heavy. It doesn't crack in underneath my eye area here. And then my little bonus for you is that if you want to just brighten up your eyes just in this area, I tend to recently started to get like darkness in here. I sell this in the studio and online. Clients have been really loving this little kind of powerhouse brightener. You click it up from the bottom and you go in to this area to brighten and lighten it. So you're getting that really nice highlight where you normally have darkness, the shadowing from your nose, what have you. So this is a really great way to look younger instantly around your eyes. Tip number 2 is to line your eyes, your waterline, with either a white eyeliner or a nude. I tend to go to the nude. The white seems to be a little too stark for me. So what you do with this is a big supermodel kind of little cheat on how to make your eyes look whiter, brighter, more youthful. You're just going to take the pencil and you're going to go into, this is called the wet line. So this is your water line. Now, I know it's going to feel super creepy and weird when you do it. And if it does feel like that, then you're doing it right. That's what I always tell my clients. If it feels weird, you're doing it right. So I just pull down my lid here and I go in on it almost like really, I want to itch it because it tickles, but I just go in and it covers any of that redness and it makes my eyes look more open and refreshed. Now, that is number 1. Number 2 is using a nice eye drop little solution here. I say it wrong every time. Roto Ice. I'll have it linked below too, as I have mentioned, but this is going to really brighten, take away any redness, refresh your eyes in the morning. And I really love this. This is kind of my go-to when I wake up and I'm like, oh, that is not cute. I pop some eye drops in and I'm much more refreshed and younger looking. Tip number 3 is dermaplane your face. Now you can do this at home. I do it here as a professional treatment for my clients. It's called my brightening facial. I use an AHA glycolic peel, and then I also use the dermaplaning, which is going to be with a number 10 disposable sterile scalpel. Takes off the vellus hair, which is your peach fuzz, and it also manually takes off the dead skin layer of your skin. So your skin's instantly brighter. It's absolutely beautiful, and you can do this at home with Dermaflash. This is a company, I asked them to send this to me because I was so interested to see if this would be great for my clients to do in between their treatments with me. So this is what the box looks like. They have redesigned their actual product. This is called From Fuzzy to Fabulous in a Flash, which it is. It's very fast. You cannot hurt yourself with this. This is what it looks like. You turn it on here, it goes back and forth, and you can basically just take off all of this hair, and these cartridges come out once you've used them, and you can replace them they like click right in. So this is a really great product to use if you want to instantly brighten your skin. Now, if you don't want to do Dermaflash, you can also do a manual little exfoliant. This is from Kate Somerville. This is Exfoliate. I really like this because it is actually quite active. I really feel like my skin's really getting a really beautiful exfoliation. It's brightening. It's giving me that pinkness to my skin, that youthful look. And if you want to make it a little bit more mild, you can do the Ever Reveal Biomatic Peel Pads. This is something I use every single day. They're just a one-step pad. They keep winning the Natural Wonders from Allure magazine for this product. So I take this on my face, my neck, and my décolleté, and I'm getting a really beautiful, nice exfoliation without creating a lot of irritation with my skin. Tip number 4. So basically my exfoliation and dermaplaning I put together as one. So this is 10 tips, but it's going to come out as looking as 9. So your lip mask. This is a wonderful way to hydrate your lips, but first and foremost, you're going to want to exfoliate your lips first because dry, dehydrated lips don't look young. You want to, I actually found that this was there's a ton of these out on the market, these lip scrubs, and a lot of them are too oily or they just fall off my lip. I have all this sugar everywhere. It's like it doesn't look cute. This is from Sarah Happ. They did a collaboration with Sprinkles, and this is the red velvet one. They don't have this anymore, but I got it at Sephora. It smells like red velvet. It's delicious. I love putting it on my lips first. I just use it on my lip, then take a warm washcloth and take it off. And then I have been experimenting with this lip sleeping mask. I got this at Sephora, and it's a really wonderful product. It comes with a little spatula, and I've been putting this on my lips at night so you can keep it on all night. So it's a little lip mask. Remember, I love multitasking products, as in it's working on my lips as I sleep. So I have that, and if you don't use the lip mask, obviously not every single night, I cannot go to bed without Lano Lips on my lips. I have stuck with this. You can use it it's a multi-purpose product, but you can use it in your cuticles, your elbows, but I just use it on my lips. I absolutely love it. I wake up, I have youthful, fresh looking lips. Tip number 5 is wear a volumizing mascara. I've been stuck on the Chanel Voluminous mascara. I love the wand. I love how creamy this formulation is, and I love building that volume with my lashes. I feel that it's an instant pick-me-up. You look younger, even if you did nothing on your face. You maybe want to do the concealer, but if you did nothing and you just did mascara, you're going to look younger and fresher. Tip number 6 is wear less makeup. Ladies, the more makeup you wear as the older we get, it's going to age you. So if you're going to just pare it all back, you would want to use a concealer, use mascara, and use a lip gloss. It'll keep your skin looking fresh, it'll keep you looking more youthful, and it's an instant pick-me-up to wear less makeup. So my next tip, which is basically number 8, I know that we skipped over, but I did 2 in 1 if you remember, is whitening your teeth. I have been stuck on using the 3D Crest white strips because they're easy. I buy them at CVS, I put them on, they are no big deal. You just open them up, they come in top and bottom, and they don't make my teeth sensitive. I get a really nice whitening to my teeth, not too much where it looks super fake, and enough that I can see a difference. So here's the top and the bottom. You put them on. It really, I just, you know, I sit back, I read a book, I read my magazine, I watch a little Real Housewives, and then I take them off and I have a better looking smile that's more youthful, and it's an instant pick-me-up. Tip number 9 is to cut bangs or to wear faux bangs. Now, I've been showing you a lot of my little gray faux bangs on my Instagram. It definitely makes you look younger having bangs. I love the fact that these have the fringe on the side, so they're just not bangs, so they'll really, you know, they really mesh in with my hair and they don't look super fake. So this is a really great way to hide wrinkles, to look more youthful, to look more spunky. So this is a very simple, easy pick-me-up to look more youthful. So swap out your black eyeliner and replace it with a navy or a chocolate brown eyeliner. You're gonna get softness around the eye. You're not gonna get such harshness wearing black, especially during the day. So if you want that instant pick-me-up, switch out the black eyeliner for a navy or chocolate brown. So ladies, those are my 10 top tips for looking instantly younger. Until my next video, I'll see you later.